As we mark the end of Pride Month today, we turn our attention to a woman who made history for those in the LGBTQ community here in Michigan.
We're talking about Michigan Attorney General Dana Nessel. She is the first openly gay person ever elected to Michigan's statewide office. And tonight she's talking with our Hank Winchester and sharing an important message with all of you.
Dana Nessel broke the glass ceiling here in Lansing. She was the first gay person elected to statewide office. But as Michigan's Attorney General, she's hoping that you'll judge her on the work she's doing here every day, rather than who she loves.
You ready?
On this day in the state capitol, Dana Nessel is shooting a series of Pride PSAs.
We'd like to take a moment to welcome you to Pride Month.
Her message is simple.
It's never the wrong time to fight for equal rights and equal dignity for all people.
Really have fun with Pride Month.
There may be some who disagree with her politics, legal battles she's taken on. But in this moment, during Pride Month, she wants you to know that it's not about politics. It's about defending a person's choice to love whomever they choose. It's about equality, equal protection.
This should be a time where we feel good about ourselves and we have fun with our friends and our family members.
Nessel herself is married. She has 2 children. She first made a name for herself nationally working on the landmark case DeBoer versus Snyder, which would eventually be grouped into the Supreme Court case that later guaranteed gay marriage as a legal right.
Honestly, it was the highlight of my career, and thinking, well, we're never going to go backwards from that time. We're only going to move forwards. We're only going to have more rights, not fewer rights. Unfortunately, things really haven't worked out that way.
Nessel says she has concerns about legislation passed in other parts of the country directed towards the trans community. She's also worried a more conservative Supreme Court may once again take on gay marriage.
I think there'll be this effort to treat same-sex marriages and opposite-sex marriages differently, and we've already seen that happen.
Nessel herself says she was surprised her own sexuality didn't become more of an issue when she ran for Attorney General here in Michigan.
What was interesting to me is once I won, most people said to me, I didn't even know that you were gay, because it wasn't a campaign issue.
She hopes during this month especially that Michiganders will celebrate diversity. And even though she says major progress has been made, there are many who are still fearful to live their own truth. She hopes that by being gay and being in this very visible position that she's changing people's perspective of what a gay woman, a gay couple, and a gay lawmaker looks like. Not much different than anyone else.
Letters and emails and when I meet people in person, mostly from young people who feel like, you know, they can finally be who they want to be and not feel like it's going to stand in the way of any ambitions that they have. Because I think they can look and see if there's a statewide official like myself that can get elected and be open and honest about who I am and not be ashamed of my family, then they can too.
And Dana Nessel's plans for the future politically? Well, right now she says she's focused on one thing, and that's being your Attorney General at the moment. But she says she's very thankful for that opportunity. We're here at the Capitol in Lansing. Hank Winchester, back to you.